So if I start the video off like this, can you guess what car we're working on here? So this car is on factory springs right now. We just lined it up on the lift. He is supplying some Swift lowering springs and a rear trunk tie bar. So wanted to get kind of like a before so you can see the height. I'm not sure what the drop is on these springs, but I figure if we get a nice before video we can see actually how far it goes down. Did you get a measurement on the height, George?
Yeah, we normally do it from the floor to the fender. It's 26 3/4 in the front, and it's 27 in the back.
Okay, so it does actually look a little lower in the front.
It's not a whole lot, but it is noticeable.
No, you can definitely see it. So we'll see if those springs actually level it out. And looking at it, it doesn't need to go down that much to give it more of an aggressive look. Maybe another ½ an inch. Those wheels and tires look better, don't they?
Yeah.
I think the factory tires look way too skinny for the rims. It looks like they're too thin. That one looks definitely beefier. It looks like it fills it out. So you guys are familiar with these cars. I'm not going to go around the car and show you all the ins and outs. But this is probably one of the best values for the money you can get. And of course, it's a Honda. Let's get this thing up in the air and take the wheels off and see what's going on.
There it is on the ground. If you measure it up against the tire there, it's 25 1/4. It was 26 3/4. So we're down 1.5 inches in the front and 1 3/4 inches in the rear. It's a pretty good height. It's not, you know, tucking the tire too much. It obviously has tons of ground clearance. It's not a huge drop, but it makes the car look much more aggressive. I think the customer will be really happy.
So Esther's car is in the background. Esther is not here, but I just picked this up from the body shop for her. She got rear-ended and the back bumper got messed up, the paint got messed up, the chrome strip there broke. So we ordered a new bumper, took it to Superior, they repainted it, and of course this is pearl, so it's not an easy color to match. See if I can get here. But of course with it having contours it's different, but it's got a whole bunch of pearl in this paint. So anyway, it looks a 1,000 times better now, and of course they give it a full detail inside and out for her, so now it looks spectacular. So we did this for her while she is away. She will be back tomorrow, so figured I would show you that. Things sometimes happen not the way you intend them, but it's how you fix them that makes the difference. So this is now light and new again. She'll be excited to have this back. What an awesome idea when you're coming down to Florida, if you're looking at dropping the car with us. We talked about this before.
Yes.
Plan a vacation, plan a trip. If you're coming down with your wife, with your parents, with your kids, whatever, make the trip more enjoyable, more memorable. Drop the car off here, go to enjoy Disney World, SeaWorld, Universal.
You don't even have to go there though. Like
there is everything. We have fantastic beaches here.
Like if you don't want to go to Disney World, there's so much to do. I just gave him all kinds of tips on to go to Candy Kitchen and John's Pass, and there's just so much beautiful beaches just literally minutes with here.
About 10 miles from here we have 26 miles of beach, and Clearwater Beach is 10 miles away. That was voted like one of the top beaches in the United States. So of course we have the cruise ports so close by. We had a couple not too long ago drop the car here, went to Tampa, got on a cruise ship, went for a cruise, came back, and then the vacation started when he picked up his car. So it's like a double plus. Keep that in mind. Again, not trying to sell you on cruise packages because we don't offer those.
And we don't make any money.
We don't. We're just offering you ideas.
We're just trying to give you ideas for your other half to convince them that they need to come here and you need to bring your car.
Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the Integra project or our channel in general, go ahead and hit the subscribe and click the bell. Check out our playlist. I try and categorize different videos that are interesting and have different content The Integra project is going to start getting cool soon, so go ahead and subscribe. You're going to start seeing some cool parts come, and of course I'm going to unveil the paint color. Every little detail is going to be in there, and I'm going to put the price and tell you what is involved, so that when you build a car you have an idea of what you're going to get into and how some good ideas will come from it. So keep watching and subscribe. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. This is going back to the customer today, so hopefully he is excited. He pretty much tripled his horsepower, and it's now a 6-speed, so it's fun to drive. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, click the bell, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next video.